Hey, this is Puneet back again, and in this video, I'm going to share with you a problem that I have faced while creating a pivot table this morning. Now, not only the problem, I will also share with you solution to this problem. So make sure to watch, and now let's get started. Now, here's the data that I have with date, product, quantity, and sales. Now, the thing is, when I try to create a pivot table by using the keyboard shortcut Alt and VT and insert a pivot table to a new worksheet and add date column to the rows field, you can see I'm not getting these dates in a right format. Even though these, dates are sorted in a right way, but still this is not something I want. So what I'll do, I'll go back, create a new date column, and I'm going to use this function called date value. This function allows you to convert your date, which is stored as a text, into an actual date. So I'll refer to the cell A2 and then close the function. And now I'm going to press the keyboard shortcut Control Shift and hash and drag this formula down. And now I have my correct date column and I'm going to name it date V2. And now let me create a new pivot table again. And I'm going to use the new column date V2. And you can see here I have my dates, which are already grouped by Excel because the date format is correct. And that is why Excel was able to identify it as month, for days and months further. So I already have these groups, month-wise group. Now let me delete it and go to my sheet again. Now you might not be able to use date value function because sometimes even date value function returns an error while correcting the date. Now for this, there's one more way that you can use. Let me insert a new column here, date V3. So now in this case where the date value function is not working, you can use this function called date, which allows you to create a valid date as per Excel's format. So what I'm going to do, enter date function, and for year argument, I'm going to use the year function, refer to the actual date, close the function, and then for month, again, the month function, which returns month as a number, close, and for day, I'm going to use the day function, refer to the date. So now I have 4 different functions, date, and within date, I have year function for the year number, month function for the month number, and day function for the day number. And let me hit enter. So now I have correct date here. Let me format it. Let me format it with the default format that I have, January 2, 2024, and let me drag the formula down. And now let me insert a new pivot table using the new column. And here my dates are working fine here in this new pivot table. So these are the 2 quick fixes that you can do in your data whenever you face these date problems while creating a pivot table. And if you're still facing any problem while creating a pivot table with dates, make sure to share your problem with me in the comment section, and I will happy to help you there. And thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.